Welcome to the Chic Show. This episode is all about how to make Valentine decor for your home. Today's DIYs begin with these cute heart-shaped rings I scored at the Dollar Tree. Using the smallest ring, I'm pairing it with leftover Christmas gift twine I snagged on clearance at Walmart. I'm starting at the top of the heart and securing the end of the twine with hot glue. Then I'm wrapping it around and around and around, gluing as I go. It might take a hot minute, but trust me, it's totally worth it. Once I've wrapped that twine all the way around, I make sure it stays put with a dollop of hot glue and I snip off the end. Next, I take some more twine and I tie a knot at the end to make a hanger. I placed that twine at the top of the heart and made a loop knot for the hanger. Now I'm going to jazz up the heart with some lace, pretty pink satin ribbon, and some dazzling clip-on roses from the dollar store. And now we have an adorable, romantic Valentine's wreath as sweet as candy. These cute house ornaments from Walmart are getting a makeover. I snipped off the hangers and the bows and got busy with my paintbrush. I'm jazzing them up with a mix of pretty pink and white, leaving a touch of their original red for a pop of character. I used Apple Barrel multi-surface paint, but I think chalk paint would have worked better. Nevertheless, they turned out pretty cute. This is the perfect little DIY for a tiered tray. For a Valentine tree, I'm getting crafty with dollar store felt heart stickers and a styrofoam cone. I'm sticking the bigger heart stickers at the bottom upside down with the medium stickers in the middle and the tiny ones at the top. I'm trying to play around with the colors, but hey, sometimes you just gotta go with the flow. They do have these felt heart trees at Dollar Tree this year, but I had everything on hand, so I figured I might as well use what I have instead of spending another $1.25. Finally, I'm topping off the whole shebang with some larger heart stickers and a little circle for the top. For this project, I'm digging back into my shell stash, and I chose this sleek oyster shell to add a sweet phrase printed on tissue paper. After slathering on some waterproof Mod Podge, I added the quote and then sealed it with another coat of Mod Podge. Usually I paint the shell first, but this beauty was perfect as it is. I gave it a little pizzazz with rub and buff and gold leaf around the edges using my concealer brush from Dollar Tree. An adorable trinket dish perfect for your jewelry. I hope you've learned today that how to make Valentine decor for your home doesn't have to cost a lot. It can be done on a budget. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.